Alright, this is the example of the to-do list. So I'm just going to run it here. And so we have our login screen, username and password. I'll just write user1 and I'll put the wrong password for now, which is just password, submit. Nothing happens because it's not the right password. Put in the right password here. And so it opens up with all my tasks. So I have task description, date, status, and priority. And then I have some buttons here at the bottom: add, edit, delete, sort, and quit. So we'll just go through the buttons one at a time. So add, if we hit add, then we get this little screen popping up, and we can enter in our info here. This is the test of test 2, sure. Status done, priority low. And so where is it? There it is. This is test 2, right? So it's there. And I can add as many as you want. I can also edit. So to edit, I have to click on one of these radio buttons. And so let's click on, say, James Bond 2, and we'll edit that. And up this little box pops with James Bond 2, he's a villain, etc. This is actually the exact same box that I had for add. So to do my add a task functionality, I just, when you press the add button, it just creates a new entry in the dictionary, and then populates this same box, the edit box, but with blank things. And then when you put stuff in, then it puts it in that new entry. Anyways, we can change this, James Bond 3. And he's not a villain, he's a hero, whatever, and save it. And we see here, where's James Bond 3? There he is. And this time it says he's a hero, and so the edit works. Delete also works. I can also use these radio buttons here to delete. So let's say delete cool off the fridge, and delete, and now cool off the fridge has disappeared. And then there's the sort button here. So by default it sorts by task, but it could also sort by description, and so it just goes in alphabetical order. So theoretically the one that starts with A would come first, and this one that starts with D would come second. Let's try that. Sort, and there it is, A, D, H, H, T, 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 right? The blank one's up here. I could sort by date, sort. And so you have blank, and then October 1st, October 33rd, for whatever reason. I guess small lowercase o is after uppercase O, so there's October 1st and 22nd, and then all the S's down here. Status, and so it's organized by status. Done, 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 not done, not done, not done, and random www. Okay, and then I can quit. And that just closes the program. So in terms of what I have in the file or in the folder, I ended up with two JSON files, one for passwords and one for the tasks. And so here's my passwords.json, and here's my tasks.json. Just open it up and show you. And so there's the JSON file here, and for passwords, just like that. So it is pretty simple. This is a simple version. Obviously, you could take it as far as you want and make it like way fancier. The one I did is just really basic, but it includes all the functionality. And so yeah, that is the example of to-do list in using tkinter.